Zion Online members, listen up. I said Zion Ministry Online members, please listen up, man. See, I have to warn you guys. I have to warn us because I am also included. But really, I don't do like you guys do. And I don't insult people. Like when you insult me, why should I insult you back, man? I will afterwards give you reasons why I made my opinion. You get me? But you guys' own is very much. Like, I mean, too much. I know the kind of calls where I don't receive. From people, from even Zion supporters, man, when they call me, tell me, say, no, guy, I should talk. I should make a video with this, man. Say, what did they do? The online Zion warriors, man, no make sense. You can equally make your argument without calling names, without sounding impotent, without being vulgar, man. You get me? All the very simple. Must you call names? Must you? No, go, yeah, it doesn't make sense now. At least we can show difference. Can I show no difference, man, from Ndi Beautiful Ndi Omenala? If to say Ndi Omenala now, they call all these names now. No wahala. I no get issue. You get me? Because habu umwekwensu already. They are umwaze ekwensu. Na very simple thing. You get? So of course they have their rights to call names, to do this, to do that. No wahala. But to now, oh now, what makes us Christ-like? We are Christ, children, man. So we should behave like him. When somebody slap you from the right cheek, man, when they turn the left cheek, make the person slap you. Yeah? Turn the left cheek, make the person slap you, no wahala. You get me? You no spoil that. I mean, you don't stop anything. So that is it, guys. See, I want us to stop, all these online insults. When somebody, decries our master being able to be, you don't need to rain insult on that person. No. Make a good point. Try to reason objectively, man. Try to tell that person the reason why he or she has to support us or support our movement. You get me? Of course, Zion will move. But this time, Zion will fly. Now, see, Agwu, right? Agwu one time went to Dibia to submit, to supply his goods. People, I saw it online, man. You people were busy calling him names. I don't think that any of you, loves Ebukobi more than Agwu. Agwu is a businessman, right? He has his right to sell his product to anybody that demands for his product. It doesn't stop him from still supporting the mighty ministry of Zion. What is happening? Yeah? Imagine me now, okay, as I am now a full supporter now. Then you will now see me with my friend now and my brother Mile Willow now. You now said, see, Mr. Lecturer, are you guys wise or not? Like, what is happening? Please, let us learn. I am talking to us. You get me? Let us learn. Me, I don't learn. I know they run insult on anyone again. My own be say, if you engage me, right, wrongly, I go engage you well. I don't need to insult you, man, for me to engage you. Please, we should stop it. Let us learn. Let us change. You get me? Let us behave like Christ, Jesus Christ. You get me? Who is our master, man. And again, you see how meek our prophet is. Our able prophet Ebukobi, the man is so meek, so humble, so gentle. Why can't we be like him? You get? I know that, yes, I am not a born again anyway, though I suppose I am, but I'm not a born again. If you slap me for the cheek, I can't talk my left cheek, I go slap you back. Now, very simple thing. But you get what I mean. You get? Let us try to mind the way we tackle people, right? Let's stop behaving like iPod people. You get me? Or even obedient people. Where's a bit insult? It don't make sense. Make a good argument. Tell people the reason why they should support our great prophet. It's a very simple thing. You must not call names to make a point. That is just the main idea of this video. I talk pure one.